especially in classics. Quite original one also, 1990 Jeep Wrangler, be a YJ Islander 4x4. Malibu yellow in color with the Islander sunset decal theme on it. I believe these Islanders were produced from 88 to 93. This particular one, very original, like I said, and low miles, clean Carfax. So this has a little over 22,400 miles on it. Clean Carfax, confirms miles, no accidents indicated, and from what you can see on much of it, I would guess the majority of this is original paint. When you're looking around it, you just don't see overspray paint lines. You might have a spot here or there where it was touched up, but overall looks and appears to be very original. Newer black vinyl top, 4.2 liter, inline 6 underneath the hood, nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes. I have the hood unlatched there, as you can see. I'm going to raise that up here at the end, let you check out the engine bay. Also comes with side curtains in the rear curtain to enclose the driver and passenger area. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, I'm going to get those curtains on, take pictures of it that way. I'll maybe come back at the end of this video and do a little short walk around with those curtains up also. But you can see the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. As you can see, it's riding on American Racing, polished wheels, definitely newer wheels and tires on it, general radials, does have a new interior, kind of a light gray, light to medium gray, vinyl interior, buckets up front, center console, and of course the bench in the rear. As far as the dash, aftermarket stereo has been added, and that does work. Wipers worked. Other than that, it appears the dash is still very stock yet also. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Some more recent service that was done on this too. New plugs, the PC 260 valve also been replaced. Carb was rebuilt. Looks like it has a newer fuel pump on it. New tranny cooler line, so some nice maintenance work done to this vehicle also. I believe it was a newer exhaust. Take a look at the underside pictures. You'll be able to see that. Engine bay, interior. And again, underside pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. You can see how nice the paint is all the way around on this. Definitely low miles and well taken care of. Rear bench, vinyl seat, take a look. Tilt column. Pull that key a second so we don't have to listen to that buzz. Alright. Let's check out the door panels. See, there's no real wear, rips, tears, vinyl. Seats all nice shape. I'm going to reach in and go ahead and start this up a second. See, it starts easily. Tack over here. Tack is working. There's your exact miles. Let's see, get a good angle for you here. 22,441. Rest of the gauge cluster. Even the clock working. And again, radio does work.
Wrapping up Senator Miranda, her latest one at any rate.
Turn that up for you. As mentioned earlier, is a 4x4. Black vinyl top, also in good shape. Sounds as you would expect. Alright, I'm going to pause this 1 second. I'll get the prop rod up to this hood. Pop that open so we can check out the engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There we go, hood propped. Take a peek at the engine bay. Looks very stock, nice, clean, tidy engine bay, no doubt about that. Again, you can see all original paint, inner fenders, 4.2 liter, inline 6. Runs as you would expect. Once again, remember, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. 507-386-1726. uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And remember, stick around just a second. I'm going to see if we can get these side curtains and the rear curtain up. I'm going to shoot some pictures up with those on there, and maybe I'll do a quick walk around and show you that also.